Hangzhou TinyPCBA Technology Company Limited is a one-stop service-oriented technology enterprise specializing in the production of single-sided, multi-layer printed circuit board proofing and large, medium, and small batch production, also including electronic products processing. PCB production is located in Shenzhen, the surrounding national and provincial highways interlaced, convenient sea and air transportation. It has been committed to providing PCB samples and PCBA processing for domestic and foreign high-tech electronic enterprises and scientific research institutions. Under the guidance of the business philosophy of high quality, fast and good price, the quality and delivery speed of products are widely recognized by customers. The products are widely used in electronics, communication, network, computer, industrial control, computer application, national defense and military industry, aerospace, medical, and other industries. We have become a large number of domestic and foreign enterprises PCB supplier. At the same time, our company has established a modern PCB production and PCBA processing base covering an area of nearly 3,000 square meters, integrating office, design, and production. Why choose us? Guarantee of raw materials, product quality, and fast delivery. Hangzhou TinyPCBA Technology Company Limited continue to take practical actions to realize the mission of providing excellent, fast, and convenient service for the continuous innovation of electronic science and technology. If you have any PCB or PCBA requirements, welcome to contact us.